The 2025 Ford Ranger marks a significant evolution in the midsize pickup segment. Redesigned beginning with the 2024 model year, it now arrives exclusively as a crew cab with a 5-foot bed, blending workhorse functionality with modern style and comfort. Its updated proportions contribute to improved interior space and aerodynamics, making it both a capability-driven and a refined everyday driver. Under the hood, the Ranger offers a versatile lineup of powertrains. The entry-level Ranger XL is powered by a turbocharged 2.3-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers around 270 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking enhanced performance, the XLT upgrade includes an option for a twin-turbocharged 2.7-liter V6, generating approximately 315 horsepower and 400 lb-ft of torque. For buyers yearning for increased luxury, the Lariat trim adds premium touches such as leather upholstery, advanced climate controls, heated and power-adjustable seats, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system for an elevated driving experience. Meanwhile, the standout Ranger Raptor redefines off-road prowess with a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 that churns out 405 horsepower and 430 lb-ft of torque, complemented by specialized suspension components like Fox Racing shocks and locking front and rear differentials, ensuring superior handling over rugged terrain. Inside, the focus on modern connectivity and safety is unmistakable. Higher trims come equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, a comprehensive suite featuring blind spot monitors, rear cross-traffic alert, driver attention technologies, and digital displays that enhance the driving experience. Emphasis on towing and payload capabilities further defines the Ranger, making it ready for both demanding work tasks and recreational adventures, ensuring that whether you're hauling equipment or exploring off-road trails, your well-equipped Ranger an appealing choice for drivers looking for a dependable yet dynamic vehicle. It stands ready to serve a broad range of needs, from daily urban commutes to rugged outdoor excursions, whilst letting you tailor the experience via its varied trims and options. This blend of robust performance, advanced technology, and refined comfort makes the 2025 Ford your comparing vehicles, or exploring the nuances of modern pickup trucks. You might also find it interesting to dive deeper into aspects like towing capacities, detailed interior layouts, and the evolving tech integration that defines the current landscape of automotive design.